Hello everyone, myself Ishan Vijay Kumar Ferd, studying in class 9 from Senior National School. Today, I made this presentation on constitution makers on J.B. Kriplani. Now, what is constitution? Constitution is a set of rules which need to be followed by each and every citizen of country. It also provides many fundamental rights as well as duties for the people. Now, let's talk about J.B. Kriplani. Who was J.B. Kriplani? Jivatram Bhagwandas Kriplani or J.B. Kriplani, popularly known as Acharya Kriplani, was Indian politician noted particularly for holding the presidency of Indian National Congress during transfer of power in 1947 and the husband of Suchita Kriplani. Kriplani was Gandhian socialist, environmentalist, mystic and independence activist. J.B. Kriplani's early life. J.B. Kriplani was born in Hyderabad in Sindh in 1888, which is located in Pakistan. Following his education in Fergusson College in Pune, he worked as school teacher before joining the freedom movement in the wake of Gandhi's return from South Africa. From 1912 to 1917, Kriplani worked as lecturer of English and History at LS College in Muzaffarpur in Bihar. Kriplani was involved in non-cooperation movement of the early 1920s. He worked in Gandhi's ashrams in Gujarat and Maharashtra on tasks of social reforms and education, and later left for Bihar and United Province in northern India to teach and organize new ashrams. Now we will talk about J.B. Kriplani's role in India's independence movement. In that movement, many students took part, and as a student, Kriplani was involved in India's freedom struggle. He was ardent Gandhi follower and in 1927 joined Indian National Congress. He took part in Champaran Satyagraha, non-cooperation movement and Quit India movement. He was elected as Congress Party president in 1946 but resigned a year later due to growing differences with the party members on the role of working committee. J.B. Kriplani as a Congress leader. When J.B. Kriplani joined Indian National Congress, he became an important Congress leader. When he joined National Congress Committee and became its General Secretary in 1928 to 1929. Kriplani was prominently involved over a decade in top Congress party affairs and in organization of Salt Satyagraha and the Quit India movement. Kriplani served in the interim government of India and Constituent Assembly of India. J.B. Kriplani as Congress President. We will talk about how J.B. Kriplani was elected as Congress President. In spite of being ideologically at odds with both Vallabhbhai Patel and Jawaharlal Nehru, he was elected Congress President for crucial years around Indian independence in 1947. After Gandhi's assassination in January 1948, Nehru rejected his demand that party's views should be sought in all decisions. Nehru, with the support of Vallabhbhai Patel, told Kriplani that while the party was entitled to lay down the broad principles and guidelines, he could not be granted a say in government's day-to-day life. This precedent became central to relationship between government and ruling party in subsequent decades. Now we will talk about the main thing, that J.B. Kriplani's contribution in constitution making. J.B. Kriplani was elected to Constituent Assembly from United Province. He was the chairman of Subcommittee of Fundamental Rights. Also, in the Constituent Assembly, he spoke the preamble. Now we will talk about J.B. Kriplani's role in Constitution Assembly. J.B. Kriplani played very much roles in Constituent Assembly. J.B. Kriplani was chairman in Fundamental Rights Subcommittee, as we talked earlier, and a member in Steering Committee, Advisory Committee, as well as in Provincial Constituent Committee. J.B. Kriplani's later contribution. Now we will talk about the contributions made by J.B. Kriplani later in his life after the constitution was made. In 1951, Kriplani started his own political party, Krishak Mazdoor Praja Party, which later merged with the Praja Socialist Party. He left Praja Socialist Party and retired from active politics. He was a critic of Indira Gandhi government and was arrested during emergency of 1975. Now thank you for watching my presentation, and I hope you all are safe at home during this period of corona. Stay home, stay safe.